Shadows in the story. Everybody chasing power, chasing glory. They climb to the throne with a smile so cold. Gold on the crown, but the heart been sold. Talking like kings, but the truth ain't told. Burning the world just to feel that control. Lights in the city, but the streets feel pain. Some with the crown just to tighten the chain. Power in their hands like a runaway train. Say it's for the people, but it's all for the fame. Everybody kneeling when the spotlight's bright, but the truth comes out in the middle of the night. Power tastes sweet when you hold it tight, but glory turns dark when you lose the light. Power and glory, glory and power. Some people bloom, but some people devour. Building their towers higher by the hour, forgetting the world while they worship the power. Power and glory. Power and glory. Power and glory, shining like gold. Stories of fire that never get told. Some use the crown just to break every rule, thinking they're gods when they only the crew. They move like shadows in designer suits, making the laws while they cut the roots. Promises loud, but the silence is proof. Truth gets buried under velvet boots. Deep in the rhythm you can hear the cry. Voices rising, but they still deny. Kings of the moment, but the time goes by. Even the mighty gonna fall from the sky. Everybody cheering when the fireworks rise, but nobody looking in the tyrant's eyes. Power gets heavy under painted skies. Glory fades quick when the empire dies. Power and glory, glory and power. Some people bloom, but some people devour. Building their towers higher by the hour, forgetting the world while they worship the power. Drums in the dark like a heartbeat loud. Echo of kings in a broken crowd. Power ain't mercy, glory ain't grace. When the crown sits wrong on the ruler's face. Power and glory. Power and glory. Power and glory. Burn in the night. Some chase the throne but forget what is right. Gold turns to dust in the blink of an eye. Even the highest still fall from the sky.